Editing a PDF sounds like it should be simple, but as you know, it's not always simple. If you have ever tried to edit a PDF on a Mac using Preview, you know that things can move around a little, but the moment you need to actually change text inside the document, you're stuck. And if you want to then pay for a subscription and you go to a tool like Adobe Acrobat, they will let you do it, but you're going to need to pay at least $23 a month just to get started. There are some free tools out there, but the one I'm going to show you is the best value on the internet. pdfFiller gives you a full PDF editor where you can change text, update dates, swap out names, edit prices, add images, annotate everything. Basically, if you need to work with a PDF in any way as a real business, this is the best tool on the market. Now, in this video, I am going to do a full walkthrough and show you how to edit a PDF using pdfFiller, which has AI integrated into the tool step by step. That way you could follow along, and if you are ready to get started, they do offer a free 30-day trial. So click that first link down below in the description. You could get started right now and customize and adjust a PDF to your liking. You get to do it all and test it with no commitment. Let's get into pdfFiller. Now, once you create an account, your screen will look something like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the upload button right here at the top. They make it so easy to get started. From there, you could add a file from your computer, but you could also add a file from any of your favorite storage tools like Drive, Dropbox, Box, and Microsoft. So I'm going to click here and grab one from my computer. I'll click right there and then hit open. You'll see the document. I could upload up to 15 at one time, but in this case, I'm gonna upload this one because I do need to make some edits to it. Now, check this out. You have a full editing experience of this document. As you can see on the left side, you have a preview of all the pages within the document. You could easily reorganize them, throw away a page, and do a lot more. In the middle, you can see all the text is already pre-selected, where I can go in here and double click on one of these and be able to add or remove text with just a click. You also see that when you are using the text editor, you have all the basic options plus more to make customizations to the text on the screen. And as well here, you can see all the additional options that you have here within pdfFiller. So in this case, there are a few key things I need to update with the text. One of them being that the version is a newer version of this document and that I need to update it to the latest date here. All right, so that is set. And then I have some content here that I can update. And as you can see, it is really easy to go in and make updates, change anything that you need on the document. Now, let me rapid fire go through a few customizations that may be useful to you. First, if I click on one of these text blocks, I could easily delete it if I want to, or I could drag it and adjust its formatting so that I can make it sit on the page a little bit different than how it is currently. From there, if I want to go through and make additional adjustments to the pages or crop and resize them, I could just click these three dots here. Next up, if I want to add an image in, it is very easy to do. I'll just click image. Then I could upload an image from my computer. In this case, I have a QR code that I want to add, so I'm going to add that in right here. And just like that, I can drop it in right here so it can be part of my entire experience. Now, those are all the things you would expect from a great PDF tool, but let's take it to the next level and take a look at their AI capabilities. You'll see here in the top right corner, there is this little button that you can click on and it will bring up the AI assistant. And immediately you're going to see a few options right away. And these are very powerful. You can summarize the entire document. You could ask about it. You could also translate it. And if you want, you could actually request signature with the e-signature functionality inside pdfFiller. Now, there's a lot of content on this document, so I'm going to ask about one specific part I'm looking for. I want to know the specific output options that we have selected in this document and if I need to make any updates to it. And as you can see here, it says save to camera roll and copy to clipboard. And if I go through my document, I could actually find those specifications here for export options. So it was able to read and pull from the content easily for me. And this is going to be great if you're working with contracts or lengthy documents where you need to find specific information or be able to understand more depth in the document by asking specific questions. And as you're going to see here, you're going to be able to go in and basically generate anything that you want with pdfFiller. Now, let's take it to the next level. Let's click on these three dots in this orange button at the top right, and you are going to see a lot of options. But the one I want to call out is that you could actually request e-signature within pdfFiller. So you don't need separate software for this. As well as you could save it in any kind of file type that you like. You could collaborate, and you could also send it. All of these options are available for any of your PDFs. And the best part is, you know that all your documents are stored in a secure portal. And if you need specific documents to be confidential in your account, you could actually set it up so that they are locked behind a password. And as you can see here, they will not appear in your recent or your documents folder. Plus, if you want to start from scratch and you don't even have a document to begin with, you can click here to create a document with AI, and this will bring up the assistant that we were using earlier, where you could come in here and start a new conversation. Now, if you need to make any edits, adjustments, add images, anything to a PDF, merge, combine, remove pages, reorganize, any of that, you could do it all with pdfFiller. Use that first link down below to get the free 30-day trial where you could get into the software, test it out at zero risk. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.